and it pivots like so. But as you can see over here, guys, the significant difference in the laser lines when you're working with red versus green. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. This quick 5-minute segment, we will discuss Dewalt's 12-volt green crossline laser. Now real quick before we move on, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holiday. I hope everybody's 2020 is prosperous. My motivational speech is keep hammering and work harder. Let's get on with it. Let's quickly open it up. Now this is a self-leveling crossline laser with horizontal lines as well as vertical lines. It has a bright green laser which is 4 times brighter than a red, and we will show you that today. It has an amazing bracket here, magnetic. Screw this to the wall and it can pivot like so. It has a molded housing which is somewhat water and debris resistant. And one of the best parts is that it's rechargeable. You have a 12-volt rechargeable battery, chargers included as well. No more having to deal with AAA batteries, AA batteries, and the charge for this usually lasts about 15 hours for us. Now this is great for tile installation. It'll replace your red battery-operated laser. As always, the link will be in the description below. Let's quickly show the multiple ways this can be mounted. Here we go. It can be mounted on a tripod like this. It can also be mounted on a ceiling pole, like that as well. And our most typical mounting method is this, the bracket that's included. Mount the bracket, install the laser like so. Of course, if you have any metal beams or metal on the wall, you can mount it just like this. Now really quick, before we compare the actual lasers, the brightness of the green laser and the red laser, it is compatible with the Dewalt T-Lock system, as you can see here. Okay, now let's quickly compare the brightness of the red laser versus the green laser on this back wall here. Okay, we've got the green laser, red laser. Let's compare the brightness of the green and the red. I'm hoping this can get picked up on the camera. We have the red laser above the green laser as well as to the left of the green laser. I'm sure a lot of guys out there who have moved from red to green will admit without a problem, without a question, that the green laser is much more visible, especially with long distance, 4 times more visible than a red laser. Let's move on. Well, there you go, guys, a 12-volt rechargeable crossline laser, green laser, much more visible, 4 times as visible as a red laser. This helps with tile installation, keeping all of your lines vertical as well as horizontal. Multiple ways to mount it: on a tripod, on a ceiling pole, on the wall, on any sort of metal studs. I have to admit, the cost is a little high, but this will be in our toolbox for a very, very long time. A very well-made investment. Rechargeable, green, crossline laser. Well, thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and most importantly, share this video if you know anybody who might find it useful, and I'll see you on the next one.